मुलुंड हैज़ गॉट अ ओल्ड हिस्ट्री। अगर हम लोगों को अपने रूट से डिस्कनेक्ट करने की बात करेंगे तो उनको आनंद नहीं आएगा। तो जब ये प्रोजेक्ट आया, ये प्लॉट आया, अंदर से मन ने बोला कि इसको ऐसी चीज़ बनाओ जो आज मुलुंड में कभी नहीं बनी हो।
See, the main mindset behind this project is that there are a lot of development which is coming in Mulund. But if you see the surrounding buildings, there's not much of open space available. If you see, the people are living in a very clustered zone. So what we thought of making is something which is extraordinary, which people have never seen it before. We have given cross-ventilated windows that is allowing sufficient light and air ventilation to flow in. And if you see our room sizes, our dimensions of the living room, dining, everything is so proportionately planned that there is nothing which is clustered or congested. There is a lot of openness available throughout the house, and which will enable people to live a very healthy life and a peaceful life.
I think the location is good. It's nicely situated near the railway station and also close to the hospital, and very easy to get onto the highway. So I think location wise this is a good place.
Yeah, my experience with Vadhva Group so far has been excellent, and looking forward for a fruitful relationship going forward.
We got to know about Vadhva from one of our cousins, and we feel really proud. It's a dream come true. The project has been made very well. Its location, accessibility from everywhere, central, western, harbour, all regions. It's great, and we actually never thought that we would book here something. It's a real dream come true.
This is a very special moment for us being a part of this Vadhva family, and this is a unique experience. We had a couple of other properties, but we didn't experience this sort of being actually participated in the Bhumi Pujan ceremony. So yeah, we're really happy with the Vadhva.
See, the atmosphere comes next, right? The name Vadhva is something which is important. Now Vadhva has demonstrated and come up to be the most cleanest, right, and the most honest builders and the constructors in the past. Mumbai has seen a very significant improvement in terms of infrastructure, and projects coming up in the last 10 to 15 years. But I would say Vadhva is somebody who has not spread for the sake of namesake, but have delivered whatever committed, and that was the whole purpose of getting linkage to Vadhva. And I'm glad I was looking for something in Mulund. Atmosphere came up, and hence I'm here.